workout. Let's try it with one. Good. I cannot do it with 1/4. Anyway, so let's keep doing it. Ganaw siya ko. I have a little bit of muscle, but I need to get more for self-defense.